Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas weapons in Murder Mystery 2. These festive items are highly sought after and only available for a limited time each year. You'll primarily earn them by engaging with the annual holiday event, but there are other exciting ways too. We'll cover everything from collecting event currency to strategic trading, ensuring you know all the best methods to expand your festive arsenal. The main way to get Christmas weapons is by actively playing during the annual holiday event. You'll collect special event currency, often called snow tokens, by playing rounds and completing daily challenges. These tokens are then used to advance through a multi-tiered battle pass. Each tier you complete grants you exclusive rewards, including festive knives, powerful guns, and cool visual effects. Beyond the battle pass, you can also acquire Christmas weapons by opening special mystery boxes. These crates require snow tokens or snow keys, which you can earn or find. Another fun method is the gifting system. Giving 100 gifts to other players often rewards you with an exclusive godly gun. Additionally, certain rare Christmas weapon bundles are available for direct purchase using Robux. For the most dedicated players, leaderboards offer a chance at ultra-rare Christmas weapons. By collecting the most snow tokens or giving the most gifts, top-ranked players can earn exclusive godly items, often with unique color variations like gold or silver. If you miss an item, remember that trading with other players is a viable option to complete your collection. Always check item values before making trades.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.